What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Army Dave here at Cowtown Home Center, 9000 Jacksboro Highway. Today I'm going to be bringing you another video. Behind me, I have the beautiful Jessup Roosevelt, 124,990, guys. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 32 by 56, 1,680 square feet. This is a beautiful Jessup home. You're also going to get that lifetime warranty that's going to cover your HVAC system, your hot water heater, all the appliances in the home, all the plumbing in the home, and all the electrical in the home. So without further ado, let's go inside and see this beautiful home. All right, guys, that concludes my tour of the Jessup Roosevelt. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 32 by 56, 1,680 square feet worth of beautiful home, $124,990. I have the best prices in Texas, guys. Come see me, not to mention that lifetime warranty and that free delivery up to 250 miles. Guys, I'm gonna take care of you. I know you hear me say this all the time. The proof is in the pudding. My customers come, they love my approach because I'm not gonna be super salesy with you guys. It's gonna be like having a conversation with a family member. I truly appreciate all of the phone calls that I have been getting lately. Guys, that just really means a lot to me. YouTube can be hard at times, trying to reach people, and because there's so much out there. So you guys are constantly viewing the videos, and I have gotten numbers and numbers of phone calls, people from other states that can't even buy from me because they're so far away, but they just want to tell me that they really enjoy the videos. I thank you very much. I promise you I'm so humbled in that response, and I'm truly grateful, okay? But this home is a beautiful home, guys. Comes with stainless steel appliances. So I deliver up to 250 miles for free from 9000 Jacksboro Highway in Fort Worth, Texas. Guys, if you're outside of that range, put that into your GPS. If you're outside of that range, I can still sell you a home. The only issue is I won't be able to service your home. So as far as your trim out, you might have to find a carpenter or something to do that for you, but I do have all the materials in the home. I won't be able to handle your connections and your septic and all of that stuff. If you're inside that 250-mile range, I can take care of all that stuff for you. But anybody outside of that, I apologize. I won't be able to help you in that aspect. But you can still buy a home from me. Just reach out to me. We'll talk about it. We'll try to get it figured out. If you were, say, 300 miles away, I will still deliver the home up to the 250 miles, but you will have to pay for that excess mileage, okay? If you're a cash customer, I can probably work something out to where we can get you taken care of. We're in the business of taking care of customers, and I will do everything within my power to do it. It's just sometimes logistically, it's not possible. So once again, guys, thank you for the outpouring of support, and until next time, bye.